Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the E61 error code on your Bosch dishwasher and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. This quick guide will break it all down for you, from what it means to how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, the E61 error code typically signals an issue with the water inlet system. It means your dishwasher isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. This could be due to a blockage, low pressure, or a faulty component. Don't panic, as it's often an easy fix. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One big culprit is a clogged inlet filter, which can trap debris and stop water flow. Another possibility is low water pressure in your home, perhaps from a partially closed valve or issues with your plumbing. A kinked hose or a malfunctioning inlet valve can also trigger this error. Alright, time for solutions. Start by checking your water supply. Make sure the water tap connected to your dishwasher is fully open and that there's no kink in the hose. If that's good, the next step is to clean the inlet filter. Unplug your dishwasher for safety, locate the filter at the bottom, remove it, and rinse it thoroughly under running water. Reinstall it and test the machine. If the error persists, try resetting your dishwasher. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on and run a cycle. Still no luck? You might need to inspect or replace the inlet valve, but if you're not handy with tools, it's best to call a professional to avoid any risks. To prevent this in the future, regularly maintain your dishwasher by cleaning filters and checking hoses. There you have it. Your E61 error should be history. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.